Hello guys, welcome back to Tune Day's vlog. Taking care of our beauty is part of investment, am I right? Especially for you ladies. Smart and beautiful, it's really fantastic package. Well guys, today I'm gonna share with you a simple tips how to get rid of blackhead on the nose. I believe so many of you feel irritated of it. There are a lot of options such pore strips, you can find it anywhere in supermarket. And then black charcoal mask, the one that you apply on the face and then you peel it up. This is very effective result. But guys, we're not gonna use this way. We will create our special ingredient which is easy to find and easy to make. Let's do it. Alright guys, now we have everything what we need on the table. Let's execute it one by one. First is baking soda. This item, well known for pastry, such as cookie, cake, bread and so on, but this time we're gonna use it for beauty purpose. How it's going? We will take one small spoon. Amazing. Next is toothpaste. Guys, you can take any other brand. In this case, I have Colgate, so I just use whatever I have. But my recommendation, try to find a plain toothpaste just to avoid any skin allergy later on. The same thing, put the small spoon. And then put a little bit water. Oh, too much, I'm sorry. Mix them up.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place
like this.
in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by.
Oh, last but not least, toothbrush. This is one of the most important tools that we're gonna use for this ritual, and I recommend you to find a soft one on the top in order to make you feel comfortable and your skin also will be very happy. Alright, we're ready to use the mask. Let's get warm towel to start with. Just to let you know, this is to open up the skin pores so that all of the dirt inside it will be easily taken out when we brush the skin later on. And then we apply the mask on the nose especially and scrub it for about 2 minutes. On this time also you can a little bit press so all of the blackhead will come out easily. Well, it's pretty simple, easy and cheap. You don't need to pay expensive to take care of your beauty. Just for $2 you can make all of this already. And for better result, try to apply this 3 times in a week. You will see your skin glow like nothing and all of those blackheads will run away. Thank you so much guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you till my next video. Ciao.